Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel and Radha online classes. Today I am going to take class 7th and the chapter we are doing is comparing quantities. Comparing quantities में मैं आपको करा रही थी exercise 8.3 and in this today we will do one of the important question, that is question number 7, and this mainly comes in exam, that is of calcium, carbon and oxygen का ratio. This question is very common for exam point of view, important for exam point of view. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen. एक chalk के अंदर it is carrying calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio of 10:3:12 means part. Calcium का 10 part है, carbon is 3 part of the total and पूरे chalk का 12% जो part है that is of oxygen. Find the percentage of carbon in the chalk. Means they have only asked the percentage of carbon, but I'll tell you कि आप पूरा का पूरा ही निकाल के रखिए. Why? Because in the next question they have asked कि if in the stick of chalk carbon is इतना, तो what is the weight of the total chalk? Okay, let's see. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in ratio 10:3:12, right? Okay, then after what we have to find out percentage of, सबसे पहले क्या है calcium, right? Percentage of calcium is equal to कितना है? See, this is 10 and downwards what we are writing? We are writing the total of, means 10 plus 3 plus 12. कितना आ गया? 10 plus 3 plus 12 is 12 plus 3 is 15 and 25. Okay, so this is 10 upon 25 into 100%. So 25 fours are, and this is equal to 40%, right children? So what is the percentage of calcium? That is 40%. Percentage of carbon. Percentage of carbon कितना है? That is 3 upon 25 into 100%. This is 4. So it is what? 12%, right? Now, percentage of oxygen. That is equal to 12 upon 25 into 100%. That is equal to 4 and this is 48. Right? This much percent. So what is the percentage? What they have asked? What is the percentage of carbon in the chalk? Carbon का percentage क्या है? This is 12%. So this is our answer. Now let's come to its next part. See children, here is your second part of this question. If in a stick of chalk stick में if carbon is 3 grams, ये तो हमने परसेंटेज निकाला था. कार्बन अगर 3 ग्राम्स है, व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ चॉक? सो हाउ यू विल फाइंड आउट? सी, पूरे चॉक का 12% कार्बन है. ओके, दिस वी नो, वी हैव फाइंड आउट ओवर हियर. तो परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन इन chalk piece, that is equal to how much? 12%, right? Now they have given the weight of carbon, means 12%. Let the weight be, okay, let the total weight of chalk का weight हमने क्या suppose करा? Bx, right? Let the total weight of chalk is x. तो weight of percentage of carbon is 12%. That means 12% of total weight is equal to कितना है? 3 grams, right? So after this x is equal to 3, ये आ गया 12 upon 100 into this, और यहाँ पे हमारा 3 grams है, right? इसको कट करके सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में ले आते हैं. 2 6 are 12 and 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0. Again 2 3s are 6 and 2 25s are. Okay, 2 6s and 2 50s, then 2 3s and this. Okay, so what we are having, x is equal to 3 grams है children. Here 25 is dividing, तो वहां जाएगा तो multiply हो जाएगा. This is 25 divided by, here 3 is multiplying, तो यहाँ आके ये divide हो जाएगा. So what is left? Left is x is equal to 25 grams. What is the total weight of chalk? That is equal to 25 grams. So children, in this way you have to do the question. कई बार एक ही part पूछा जाता है, then no problem. अगर दोनों parts पूछे हैं तो you have to do like this. Let's come to the next question. See children, here is your next question. That is, Amina buys a book for rupees 275, means this is the cost price, and sell it at loss of, और उसने वो बुक बेची कितने में? लॉस, 15% लॉस बियर करके उसने बुक को सेल किया. हाउ मच डज इट सेल इट फॉर? तो फिर उसने कितने में बुक को बेचा? दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एसपी व्हेन योर सीपी एंड loss percentage is given. In that you have to use the formula 100 minus loss percentage. Just keep in mind कि जब SP निकालना है तो हमें ये चीज ऊपर रखनी है, CP निकालना होता है तो हमारे डिनोमिनेटर में आता है. Okay, so just find it fast. This is 100 minus loss हमारा कितना है? 15 है. This is upon 100 into what is your CP, that is 275. Then next will be it is what? 85 divided by 100 into 275. इसको कट करेंगे, इसको कट करेंगे 5 से. 5 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 and 5 zeros are 0. Then with 5 again, 5 11s are and 5 4s are. Now see, points में आएगा हमारा आंसर. Let's see what is our answer. 85 into 11, 5 and 8, and this is 5 and 8. It will be 5, 8, 9, 10, 13 के 3 carry 1, 9, 9, 35 divided by 4. Divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, and 4 3s are 12 again. Then point 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s means your answer is 233.25. Okay, this much rupees is the selling price. Right children, how you have to find out? Just put it in the formula and then it. So you will get 233.25 as answer. Okay. So I think this is clear to you. Mug up the formulas, then only you can do the sums. Okay. मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में with the remaining questions of simple interest. अब मैं आपको simple interest के बारे में in my next class I'll tell you. Till then children, goodbye, take care and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. अगर सब्सक्राइब किया है it's well and good. एंड जितना हो सके उतना शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.